In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an accordion in Wix Studio for 2025, step by step. If you're looking to enhance your website's interactivity and keep it sleek and organized, then adding an accordion feature is a fantastic way to achieve that. Let's dive in and make your content more dynamic. First, let's begin by adding collapsible text to your site. You'll start by navigating to the Add Elements panel, which you'll find on the left side of the Wix editor. This pane is essentially your toolbox for anything you want to incorporate onto your page, whether it be text, media, or interactive elements. Once you click on Add Elements, look for the text option. After clicking on text, you'll see a variety of choices. Go ahead and select collapsible text from this menu. Drag and drop it onto your page wherever you want your accordion to appear. This action is as simple as it sounds. Just click, drag, and release. Once you place the collapsible text onto your site, it's time to customize the content to meet your needs. Click directly on the collapsible text box. You'll see an option called Change Text. Select this to open the text settings. Here you'll enter the content you wish to display for both the collapsed view, which is what users will initially see, and the expanded section, which will become visible when users interact with the accordion. This feature is superb for summarizing information and keeping your page tidy. Now that you have your content inputted, it's important to set up the functionality of the accordion. Within the same Change Text menu, you'll notice a section labeled What does the button do? Here, you'll specify whether you want the button to expand the text or if you want it to link to another page or section. Choosing Expand will ensure users can reveal more content directly on the same page, which is usually the main appeal of an accordion. While you're here, take a moment to customize what the button or link will actually display. This could be something intuitive, like Read More for the expansion and Read Less for collapsing the text back. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized an accordion in Wix Studio. This feature not only aids in managing content-heavy sections, but also contributes greatly to a clean and user-friendly interface. Feel free to experiment with different content types within the accordion to see how it enhances your webpage. Thanks for following along, and happy web designing.